Hello, I am Shikha Yadav. In this video, we will be talking about SBI e-Mudra loans. The government launched Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana in 2015 to promote small businesses. Under the scheme, non-corporate, non-farm and micro-enterprises can take business loans up to Rs 10 lakh. These Mudra loans can be availed through any bank, commercial banks or non-banking finance institutions, rural banks and small banks. State Bank of India, the country's largest bank, also provides Mudra loans to micro, small and medium enterprises. You can avail SBI e-Mudra loans to meet various business requirements like business expansion, modernization, purchasing, machinery, etc. Non-corporate small business segment that comprises of small manufacturing units, service sector units, vendors, shopkeepers, repair shops, artisans, etc. through SBI Bank can take benefit of Mudra loan. If you have an account in SBI, then you can also apply for SBI Mudra loan up to Rs 1 lakh online via the SBI e-Mudra website. Benefits of SBI Mudra loan. Overdraft facility. You can get an overdraft facility with SBI Mudra loan. It is a card that provides cash credit services and also acts as a debit card. Processing fees. Banks do not take any processing fees for the Mudra loans. If you don't have any collateral or security, these loans are collateral free. Lower interest rates. The interest rate on SBI Mudra loans is determined as per RBI guidelines, hence are lower than regular business loans. Purchasing inventory. The State Bank of India Mudra loans can be availed for business expansion, buying equipment, etc. In addition, as part of the scheme, there is a separate provision for getting the inventory for expanding their business. Special concession to women under Mahila Udyami Yojana. The center encourages women to start their enterprises. Thus, they can avail SBI Mudra loan at a discounted rate. SBI e-Mudra interest rate and charges. Linked to MCLR that ranges between 8.40% to 12.35%. Processing fees. No fees for Shishu and Kishore and 0.5% of the loan amount for Tarun. Prepayment charges. 3 to 5 years including a moratorium of up to 6 months depending on the activity, income generation. Who is eligible for e-Mudra? The minimum age of the applicant should be 18 years and the maximum age limit is 65 years. Documents needed for SBI e-Mudra. Documents that you will require for SBI Shishu Mudra loan are GST registration certificate, SBI account details, Udyog Aadhaar details, shop and establishment certificate. Documents needed for SBI Kishore and Tarun Mudra loan. Identify proof like PAN, voter ID, Aadhaar card, passport, etc. Residence proof like utility bills, passport, etc. Bank statements for last 6 months, Aadhaar and proof of establishment for business ID, price quotations for purchasing equipment, machinery, balance sheet statement of last 2 years, profit and loss statement of last 2 years. Passport size photo of applicant. How to apply for SBI e-Mudra loan? You can apply for SBI e-Mudra loan online as well as offline. Follow the steps given below to apply for SBI e-Mudra loan online. Step 1. Go to the SBI e-Mudra website and click on Proceed. Step 2. Then read the instructions given and click the OK button. Step 3. A new page will open wherein you will have to enter details like mobile number, SBI account number, loan amount and click on Proceed. Step 4. Fill in the application form and upload all necessary documents. Step 5. Now accept the terms and conditions with an e-sign. You will have to provide your Aadhaar number to provide consent for using Aadhaar for e-sign. Step 6. At last enter the OTP that you will receive on the registered mobile number. SBI e-Mudra offline process. Go to your nearest SBI branch and meet the concerned official handling loans and finances. Tell him about your loan requirement and business proposal. He will give you e-Mudra application form. Just fill out the form, attach the necessary documents and submit it. This is all about this topic. Let's meet on our next video. Thank you.